Hi everyone, I thought I would do a little autumn video of the chickens. I went out this morning and just let them out of their night boxes, and I'm just going to let them out for a bit of free ranging and just to clean them out. So I thought I would just let you see them naturally, what they do. It's autumn here now. The garden's looking a bit autumny. The leaves falling off the trees. So we're just walking down to the chicken coop. And there they are. Hello, little ones. Hello. Come out. Here comes Share. You're a bit subdued this morning. Is it too cold? Is it too cold? You're not coming out. Albert and his two ladies are still in their night box. They've been fed. I just leave them in there till I come out and let them out, because Albert's getting quite mature now and I don't want him fighting with Bruno while I'm not here. They haven't fought yet. Bruno's still boss, tells him off, so I just keep them separate while they're locked in. Even though they have got quite a bit of room, I still don't want them fighting. There's still a chance that they could fight, you see. They're coming out. Jet? You sound like a goose, don't you, Jet? Oh, who's that? Is that Coco? I bet that's Coco. Let's go and let them out. You three still, you're not coming out. What are you doing? Are you waiting for Albert? Are you waiting for Albert? Alright, Penny Poo. Alright, Penny. Let's go and let Albert out then. You just laid an egg. Have you just laid an egg? There's not an egg in there. What's all the fuss? Come on then. Whoop. Come in, Dolores. Come in. That's a very squeaky song. What are you doing? I don't know what Luna's up to. I think she's looking for a place to lay an egg. So that's their night area. That's Bruno's rooster box. And that's where some of the females roost, as you know. And some of the females go in there with Bruno. And that is Albert's night box. I put them in boxes, and the boxes are dark at night, and in the morning when they should be crowing, it prevents them crowing so early, so I don't get complaints off the neighbours. So that's why they go in the boxes. Ariel sitting on Norman's head. What are you two doing? See what Albert's doing. Is it the magpies? Is it the magpies? Now normally I would have rehomed some of these hens and Albert. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come to see you. Oh, can you see her? She just jumped on my shoulder. Peggy too. She jumped on my shoulder. I normally would have rehomed Albert and some of the females, but I've kept them a bit longer than I normally would because they are lovely hens, and Albert's a really nice cockerel. I am thinking about building another indoor area so that I've got 2 breeding groups again. Now I used to have 3 or 4 breeding groups in the garden in smaller coops, but I had new neighbours and I didn't want them complaining about the noise of the roosters, so I went down to 1 large group with just 1 rooster. But I am thinking about building another indoor area for Albert and his ladies. I'm still deciding what to do, but I need to fix my run anyway. This run here, this large one, the larger of the 2, used to be used for large hybrids. I had them for quite a few years, 8 years, and I lost them over the years. They were just made for laying. Excuse me. Yeah, so it's not really sufficient for the Seramas, so I'm going to redo the roof and the flooring. I'm thinking how I can fit an indoor area to keep Albert in. Now the shed is big enough really, but breeding time when all the hens have their babies, it gets very full. So I also need a breeding area for Albert's females as well if I do keep them. Excuse me. I'm just getting over COVID. So yeah. Just thinking about it at the moment. I might not. I might rehome him. There's plenty of people who are looking for Seramas, so. But I don't want to get rid of them. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Did you fall off? Did you turn around too quickly? Okay. I'm ignoring you, aren't I? She always jumps on my shoulder in the morning. Come on then, back up. Good girl. See you. Can I see you? Which one's blackberry? Don't know if there's any left. Here's one. Here's one. Here's one. Okay, go. Hi, Cher. You good girl. What do you want? Gemma? Oh, pretty girl. Oh, pretty girl, Gem. Oh, Bruno's just gone up there. Albert's jumped out of his way. Bruno. So that's why they aren't together in a smaller area. You're showing him his boss, aren't you, Bruno? You're showing him his boss. So in the day when they go back in, Bruno stays in this room with his ladies, and they have access to this area. And Albert goes in that smaller run and has access to that area until evening, when they have free range again and they all roost together. This is a smaller run. So yeah, so I'm going to clean out. Still on my shoulder. I don't know if they can see you. Can they see you? Just gonna clean out and I'll come back to you when I shut them back in. Sorry, excuse me. You're very quiet this morning. Okay. So I'll clean them out and I'll be back soon. So I've just finished cleaning out. Everywhere's nice and clean. The bedding areas. Luna has now decided that she is nesting in that box. Bless her. Good girl. I love watching them make a nest. They chuck the straw over the sauce, make a nice little indent. So cute. So let's go see what the others are doing. Oh, waiting for me. You were waiting. Is it treat time? So they know that they get a treat before they go back in. I'm just going to put Albert and his two ladies over the other side. So go and do the door. Are you following me? You've all followed me except the two I wasn't. Come on, Alberto. Come on, Alberto. Come on. Coco. There's Dolores. Dolores. There she is. You two are going to jump off now, aren't you? Dolores. Come on, princess. Good girl. Come on, you've got to go on the other side. Good girl. Albert. Albert's just jumped off my arm. Just going to put these around the other side. Oh, I could really do with a selfie stick, couldn't I? Go on then, jump on. Go. Good girl. Come on, Ariel, you're not going in there. Is Ariel? What do you mean? You're so pretty. Look at you. I'm sorry about the coughing. Come on, Albert. Good boy. No, you gotta go to your ladies. No, you don't want to. Bruno will pick on you. He will. Bruno will pick on you. We're back in a minute with some treats. Come on then, you guys. Come on then. Not had this for a long time, have you? Hey. Shut them in. Oh dear, I'm coming. I'm coming. There you go. Better. Albert. 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 I said Albert. Go on. Go on. There you go, and the leftovers. There you go. Well, I had some. Just gonna get them a little scatter. So I've just got a little bit of scatter and something to do throughout the day. Here you go, some scatter. Bit for you. Go girl. Oh! Jet! What are you doing? You've gone out the wrong door. Jet always sounds like. Jet always sounds like you're about to throttle her. Although she'll let you pick her up and give her a cuddle, she'll make the funniest noises. Like a goose. Right, just gonna give Albert some scatter. Okay, have fun. That's it. All done. So they'll stay in there till a bit later, and I'll be out and let them out for some more free ranging while I do some gardening. Okay, thank you for watching. That was just a video just to show you the morning routine, really. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.